How to replace the steering switch on a 2013 to 2017 Ford Fusion. This might work with the Ford Edge and I believe the Escape. Only tool you'll need is just a small little flat blade screwdriver or so. A little flat blade screwdriver. Now what I did, I turned my wheel to the side halfway, and what you want to look for is a little hole to be right there. So if you're looking at the steering wheel, it's just basically directly underneath here and to the back. Now what you want to do, stick a little screwdriver into there, and you just want to feel around until you feel like a little metal tab that pushes in. So you just want to kind of, might take a couple tries, but you can feel how strong the resistance is. And what you want to do is push this in and grab a hold of the airbag and pull it out. You'll have a tab there, a tab here, and I believe a tab right there for the airbag that holds it in place. Alright, so now I got the airbag fully out. And that took me quite a bit trying to get it, because I can get this bottom tab to release, but these two up ones I couldn't get released. It took me a couple tries to do it. So what you want to do, flip it over, go and disconnect your two connectors, the color tabs. Let's see if I can point it out to you. Right there, you just want to pull that up. Same thing with this side, pull it up and just unplug the connector. Alright, to disconnect the horn ground, just pull this red tab upwards and push this black tab in while unplugging it. Then you have removed your airbag. Now what you want to do, just pull on these trim panel piece, just kind of snaps into place. Alright, so I just kind of grabbed on by two hands, just kind of gently pull on it. You do have to add a little force to it to get it out of place. It's kind of like a little, I guess you could say like a ball socket tab. That plastic tab goes into the rubber of the steering wheel of it. Now you will have it be attached up here, so you want to kind of push that through out of the way. Then you got mostly out, then you want to go and disconnect your connectors. After you disconnect your connectors, you can go and pull the whole assembly piece out. So this is what I was talking about. If you look kind of like right up here on the corners, these two pieces there, right there, they just kind of fit right into here. All these little holes, they just fit right into there. So it was a little tricky kind of pulling it out, but once when you add a little force, it'll come out without breaking it. Alright, so anyways, let's go and get back to removing that. So you will need a little Torx bit, 3 screws that holds it in. The Torx that you need is a T15. And like I said, just go and remove those 3 screws. Once you remove those 3 screws, this thing will just pull right out. Then you want to get your new replacement one, which is this one here. And just like putting a puzzle together, put it back in place. Get it lined up with the holes and go and put in your 3 screws. Alright, once when you get it on, you're ready to put this whole piece back together. Alright, don't forget to put your wires through this little loop here. Then you can go ahead and get your connectors plugged in, and then go and make sure that your tabs are all nice and aligned, and go and push it all in place. Alright, once when you get that all put in place, the wires looped around, connected, you're ready to put the airbag back into place. Now, fairly simple. They are color coded. Yellow goes to yellow, black goes to black. And don't forget to add your horn switch. And when you go to plug it in, they can only go in there one way. Once when you get it in, don't forget to push this tab all the way in place, so it locks it into place, so you will have an airbag code.